US inflation cooled down as expected. No, 2.4 kasi ngayon, aside sa 2.5 expected ng mga analysts. So what does it mean guys sa market? Ganito lang po 'yon. No, kaya nagkaroon ganyan, boba inflation, the markets rejoice. Lumipad pa yung Bitcoin, lumipad yung gold, even the equities nagkaroon ng recovery tonight. But ang tanong, do we need to rejoice? Magdiwang na ba tayo? Is this the bottom? Palipad na ba tayo? Or pabagsak pa rin? Or nagkaroon lang tayo ng dead cat bounce? Or short covering lang ba nangyari? Ayan. Yan guys yung pinaka big question. Kasi, will the Fed cut rates? Ay, hindi pa naman kailangan kasi nag-hover lang. Kasi elevated pa yan guys. You all know, the inflation target ng Fed ay nasa 2%. Mataas naman siya ng 0.4. So, well, more pressure pa. Kaya nga ito yung tanong, is this a policy mistake? Or is this, well, Jerome Powell miscalculating the tariff effect? Kasi hindi naman nag-reflect sa sa CPI data, di naman naramdaman di ba? So, yun yung next ko dyan, question. And guys, will the next Fed chair reverse the policy? We don't know yet. So guys, now follow us in our Facebook page, WizKidTrader, for more information. Para malaman niyo yung part 2 and updated kayo sa market updates ngayon. Kasi next, pag-usapan natin Japan naman. See you guys in the next video.